Hi, we're the Frame Group service technicians that cycled your Sargent automatic shrink tunnel and your Sargent L-bar sealer. Before powering up the machines, it is recommended that you read each manual in its entirety. The manuals will be placed with the machines when they are shipped. The power for the shrink tunnel is currently set at 3-phase 240 volts, while the power for the L-bar sealer is currently set at single-phase 120 volts. A recommended field service technician will assist with the training and setup of the machines. For all of your field service requirements, please contact our field service manager. Please note that each machine will be sold separately.